Have you ever ran a prompt on Claude Code and ran down to go grab some coffee? Because, that's how you make the most of your time in 2025. And when you got back, you came to realize that your AI was stuck waiting for your permission the entire time. Even with the edit mode turned on, there are plenty of permissions that Claude needs in order to run. And generally speaking, yes, they are useful guardrails so Claude doesn't accidentally nuke your entire computer. But what if I told you there is a way to run Claude Code in YOLO mode, but it doesn't have the ability to completely destroy your computer? Well, of course, there's a CLI tool for just that. The tool's called VIWO, and it lets you run Claude Code in YOLO mode inside of a Docker container, so in the off chance that it does go errant, the damage is limited to just the container. And getting started is super easy too. You just go to the repository page, give it a stars up, and then you go down to the install section, copy the command, and run it in your favorite terminal app. That's it. And the setup takes a minute tops. First, run VIWO auth and drop in your Anthropic API token. And then go to your repository and run the command VIWO register to let VIWO know about your repository. You'll also want to make sure that your Docker is running. Then the magic sauce is VIWO start. Run the command, select the repository, and add your branch name or leave it blank to generate a new one, and drop in your prompt. At this point, VIWO will spin up a new container, run Claude Code in headless mode with all your permissions enabled, and exit when it's completed. Now, at this point, you're probably wondering, what is the point of this app if I can't see what's happening to my code? What if I want to fix something else while Claude is running? Well, you see, my friends, the beauty of VIWO is that it actually doesn't run on your current workspace. When you run VIWO start, it bootstraps a brand new Git worktree, which essentially is a clone of your current working branch. It also stores its clone away from your current project directory, so it doesn't interfere with your current workflow. What this means is that you can now spin up multiple VIWO instances, and this current working branch will never be affected. This separation is super handy a bit down the road when you want to check in on what Claude produced, at which point you can easily open it up in your favorite IDE of choice. You can do this by running VIWO list and selecting your session, and then selecting the option to open it in your IDE. And that's it. With this tool, I've been able to basically complete a whole bunch of smaller tickets or get started on a much larger ticket simultaneously without having to babysit each session individually. This has substantially increased my personal productivity, and I hope that it serves you well. And if it does, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more AI content. The link to the VIWO CLI will be provided in the video description below. And if you have any questions or feature requests on the application, please leave a comment as I check the comment section pretty regularly. I also stream my coding sessions on Twitch on workday afternoons, and you can drop by and ask any questions you may have there as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.